Welcome to matecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Subhashini. I am from Sri Lanka.
Okay. How many years old are you?
Sorry?
How many years old are you?
I am 38 years old now.
Okay. Are you single or married?
No, I am married.
Married. Do you have children?
No, I haven't any children.
Okay. So what job you are applying for?
For housemaid and come cook.
Housemaid, come cook, and also nanny?
Yeah.
Okay. So when would you be able to start working?
As 15th of after 15th of May this year, 2015.
Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have relatives in UAE?
No, just my husband and my sister.
Okay. So please describe your present job.
Sorry?
Please describe your present job, where you are working right now.
Now I am working with England family.
Okay.
Now it's 4 years it start. 3 years finished. Now 4 years it start. I had worked with Australian family was 2 years ago.
Okay. So what are your roles and responsibilities with England family?
I am taking care of kids, pets, and doing house cleaning and everything is myself.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
managing without supervision. Everything is myself.
Oh, okay. That's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
So how many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
Weekly one time.
Weekly one time. Okay. How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
Daily I will cleaning my house, bathroom and toilet daily.
Okay.
Weekly 2 or 3 days I will vacuum house and mop in same days. Another days I am brushing and then mopping. Yeah, after wash the clothes, laundry, and then I will ironing, and then after the evening I will cook for the kids, and then taking my dog out, walking dog. Yeah.
Okay. So what will you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
No, it's allowed. It's allowed. I'm handling my maintenance also myself. No, my madam, no, my sir. I'm handling everything, my maintenance in my house. If example, if happens something problem, this or today also had some problem, I'm calling to the maintenance office, and then they will come. When they did the job, they will give it to me paper, and then I will sign it.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I know how to cook.
What kind of food you can cook?
Any English food. I can follow up recipes for the I can cook for the children separately without the spicy. If somebody like spicy, I can add the spicy. It's never mind. Don't worry. I can do anything.
Okay. So, and you are good in following the instructions in a recipe book?
Sometimes, but I know won't follow up because I knows how to cook everything.
Okay. Are you willing
if
to?
I need, I can follow up. It's okay.
Okay. So, are you willing to take care of children?
Of course, yes.
Okay. What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
I'm playing. We have 2 children. Just daughter was 14 years, boy was 8 years. But I have to play. I'm not playing, but he like play with me every evening. Yeah, I'm playing outside. I'm playing football with him, and they're doing yeah.
Okay.
He's so happy play with me.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, if one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Sorry?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
First time taking, if he has serious things, and then I'm direct go to the hospital. If happen little some problem, I will give it first aid, and then if my madam no sir not at home, then I will call into them. If emergency happens some problem, I will take them to the hospital.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, as a nanny, could you say no to a child?
No.
Okay, I'll give you a situation. Say yes or no. Okay.
Yeah.
If the child want to go to park alone, will you allow him to go?
Sorry?
If the child want to go to park alone, will you allow him to go?
Yeah.
If he want to go alone without you or without his parents, will you allow him to go outside? No.
No. No.
Okay. So if it is bad or dangerous to the child, you will say no, right?
No. No.
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
Minimum to 5 because I had good experience. I can do everything. I'm not scared. I'm not lazy lady. I'm good activated. I can do everything myself.
Okay. So
Yeah.
please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Subha, for your time from
Okay,
myself.com. Thank you.